Hey folks, I'm Paul from Barbecue Land in Hitchin, Hertfordshire's specialist in barbecues. Today I'm going to show you how to cook a tri-tip on the Masterbuilt Gravity Fed Series 560. I'm going to be taking you through the process of creating a basic mop, a dry brine, and then setting up your grill for reverse searing. To make our basic mop, we start by taking 3/4 of a cup of balsamic vinegar, half a cup of olive oil, half a cup of water, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of chili flakes, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. We'll then give that a mix. Next, we're going to dry brine the tri-tip. Before we do, let's take a look at the grain. You can see that it's running this way and then straightens out this way. You need to remember that because that's how we're going to have to slice it at the finished product. So we'll slice across the grain this way, and we'll turn it, and we'll come across the grain this way. For the dry brine, I'm going to use the Killer Hogs AP rub. You want to evenly coat it with the AP rub and let it set for 10 minutes. "10 minutes is up. Let's give it a flip, and then we want to brine the other side. Preparing our grill, we have the left hand side set up with the grill grates in the smoke position and the right hand side set up with the grill grates in the sear position. Remote onto your grill and set the temperature for 250 degrees Fahrenheit or 121 degrees Celsius. After 20 minutes, it's time to add some more rub. Today I'm going to be using some of the mocha rub from Country Wood Smoke, which is fantastic on beef. I like to use a coffee shaker for applying the rub. I find it gives it a nice and even coating. Give it a flip. For a little bit of crunch, let's add some Excellent Oink Texas Steak Serious Torque for beef rub. This will give it a lovely bit of texture. You want to press that in. Flip. And now we're prepared for the grill. Plug in your food temperature probe, slide it through to the grill chamber and insert it into the thickest part of the tri-tip. Using the app, remote onto your grill and set the food probe temperature for 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 46 degrees Celsius, as we'll be smoking this to a rare temperature. It's been 15 minutes. Let's give it its first round of mopping. fantastic smell of hickory coming from the barbecue. You want to mop both sides, so remove the food temperature probe and give it a flip. Don't forget to reinsert the temperature probe into the thickest part of the tri-tip. After 5 minutes, give it another mop. You want to carry on doing this until you've reached your internal temperature of 115 degrees Fahrenheit or 46 degrees Celsius. We've hit our rear temperature. Look at this, looks fantastic already. Now for the fun part, set your grill to 700 degrees Fahrenheit or 371 degrees Celsius. You now want to sear the steak for 2 minutes on each side. Wow, it's looking fantastic after being seared, but we're not quite there yet. We're going to wrap it in some pink butcher paper to help it rest. So our steak's been resting 10 minutes, let's see how it looks. It's always a good sign. Look at that. Let's take a look. Wow, I can't wait to eat this already. Check out the grain. That's going to be really helpful when it comes to slicing this. Let's give it a slice, see how we did. Oh, I can tell this is going to be good. We're just getting to that point where the grain starts to change direction, so we can't slice it this way anymore, or it would be quite tough. So let's give it a turn, maybe the other way around. And you can see now, slicing against the grain again. That bit's mine. I'll show you a little bit more. If only you could smell this. And there we have it, all sliced up. It's looking fantastic. Let's make it look even better. Here's some chimichurri. Let's drizzle this on all over the steak. Look at the colour of that. It looks fantastic. You know it's going to be brilliant for some photos. Time for a close-up. Wow. If you like tri-tip, leave a comment down below and let me know how you like to make it. Thank you for watching. Everything you've seen today is available at barbecueland.co.uk.